We are now going to narrate to you about a project that IIT Bombay, in association with BIAF, we carried out in Palghar district. The project is how to build a low-cost polyhouse using bamboo.
Jawhar is a hilly region in Palghar district of Maharashtra with an average annual rainfall of more than 3000 millimeters. Even with this high rainfall, this region suffers from heavy water scarcity after January every year. Historically, high levels of malnutrition is prevalent in these areas. One of the ideas for these farmers is to adopt a concept of Nutri Gardens.
This is actually a fusion of two different concepts. You have combined a polyhouse concept and a kitchen garden, and now we call this project as Nutri Gardens using the low-cost bamboo houses. This project was carried out in the framework of a MTech project of Dhaneshwar, our student at Sitara IIT Bombay.
Sitara, that is Center for Technology Alternatives for Rural Areas, is an academic unit within IIT Bombay. It has its own master's and PhD program, which is of interdisciplinary nature. Sitara tries to sensitize engineers to the wider needs of society, and we train our engineers as professionals who can work on the interface of technology and development.
Palghar in Maharashtra is one of the hotspots of malnutrition. Farming continues to be primary occupation in rural India. Agriculture is directly linked with the nutrition status of children and mothers. Various studies clearly indicate that absence of dietary diversity is one of the significant factors affecting malnutrition.
In my project, I am concentrating on how we can increase the dietary diversity along with the wealth index for a rural farmer. In the nutrition garden, what we mean is to grow the nutritious vegetables in the periphery of household to fulfill the nutritional requirements of the family.
To increase dietary diversity, many government and non-government organizations started promoting kitchen gardens or Nutri Gardens.
We found that three major constraints are faced by the farmers in growing under the nutrition garden. The first major constraint is of seasonal water scarcity in summer. Another constraint is of heavy rainfall in monsoon. Third constraint is they need the protection from these free animals. To address the first two constraints, we came to know that protected cultivation can be the best solution for fulfilling the nutritional requirements along with increasing their wealth index.
You are here actually in the very interiors of Jawhar Taluka of Palghar district in Maharashtra. But what you see here is kind of a barren land. Nothing seems to be growing here. And when this particular farmer, Mr. Valvi, moved here with his ancestral and inherited property, he started growing few things which was perhaps good for agri-horticulture, and therefore BIAF came and selected this, and now we have selected this site for a polyhouse.
BIAF डेव्हलपमेंट रिसर्च फाउंडेशन ऑर्गनायझेशन डॉक्टर मणिभाई देसाई यांनी 1967 साली स्थापन केली आणि आज BIAFचं काम हे 13 राज्यामध्ये 1 लाख खेडेगावापर्यंत पोहोचलं आहे. याच्यामध्ये जे गरीबातले गरीब शेतकरी आहेत किंवा जे गरीब फॅमिलीज आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी एक सस्टेनेबल लाईव्हलीहूड क्रिएशनचं काम हे BIAF वेगवेगळ्या माध्यमातून करत असतं.
आपण वाडी क्षेत्रामध्ये उभं आहे. वाडी म्हणजे आमचं वेस्ट ॲग्रिकल्चर लँड डेव्हलपमेंट इनिशिएटिव्ह हा एक प्रोग्राम आहे जो की ॲग्री हॉर्टी फॉरेस्ट्री ह्या कन्सेप्टवरती तो आपण इथे राबवतो, ज्यामध्ये 1 एकर ह्या पडीक लागवडीयोग्य क्षेत्रावरती आपण आंबा, काजू आणि त्याचबरोबर फॉरेस्ट्री ट्रीज ज्यामध्ये बांबू, साग इत्यादी प्रकारची रोपांची लागवड आपण इथे करतो. त्याचबरोबर त्यासोबत आपण आंतरपीक म्हणून मोगरा तसेच वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचा भाजीपाला तून शेतकऱ्याचं एक शाश्वत उपजीविका कशी साधता येईल हा एक ह्या कार्यक्रमाचा एक भाग आहे.
ही शेती माझ्या वडिलांनी फार पूर्वीपासून शेती करत होते आणि ही 1-2 एकर ही पडीतच होती. ते BIAF संस्थेमार्फत मला वाडी मिळाली. तिथे मी हे मोगरा आणि आंबा, काजू लावलेला आहे. तिथे मी मेहनत करतोय.
आमच्या बालापूरमध्ये BIAF प्रोजेक्ट चालू झाला आहे. म्हणून त्याच्यामार्फत आम्ही आंबा, काजू ती वाडी घेतली. पॉली हाऊस आम्हाला घेण्याचे कारण असं की पावसाळ्यात इकडे जास्त पाऊस असतो, म्हणून आम्हाला काही भाजीपाला पीक घेता नाहीत. पॉली हाऊसमध्ये सध्या आम्ही मिरची लावलेला आहे, डोबली मिरची लावली आणि बरंचसं काही काही अजून लावणार आहे.
In this project, we have designed and developed a bamboo-based polyhouse of 128 square meters, aiming to provide year-round nutrition security for a household. It is also possible to sell the surplus produce in markets for additional revenue.
We gathered many of the quotations for the steel or GI based polyhouse from many of the contractors. So we found that the minimum of the quotation value for 100 square meter of polyhouse was of 2,77,000. So this is not feasible for a small scale farmer. And the innovative in this project is that we are using bamboo instead of steel.
बांबूबद्दल स्ट्रक्चर उभा करणार होतो तेव्हा बरेचसे लोकांचे आम्ही असे सर्वे केले. आम्हाला असं सांगितलं की अरे याची जॉईनरी फार डिफिकल्ट जाणार आहे, याचे बांबू तुम्ही जर ती खिळ्याने जर तुम्ही जोडले तर ते क्रॅक होणार आहेत, तर ते टिकणार नाहीत, तर त्याचं तुम्हाला फाउंडेशन. तर अशा बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी ज्ञानेश्वरने स्टडी करून त्याचं लिटरेचर रिव्ह्यू करून त्या बांबू सप्लायरशी बोलून त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्या फॅब्रिकेटरशी बोलून आणि नंतर मग फायनली त्यांना मिस्टर मोरे म्हणून नाशिकचे फॅब्रिकेटर आहेत ज्यांच्याबरोबर त्यांनी ते डिझाईन करून त्याचे जॉईंट्स जे तुम्हाला वरती दिसत आहेत आता याचे, तर त्या जॉईंट्सला त्यांनी एक नव्या प्रकारचं इन्व्हेन्शन करून हा प्रयोग सुरू केलेला आहे.
दरवाजा आणि सर्वच कॉम्पोनंट बांबूमध्ये केलेले आहेत, जेणेकरून कमी खर्चामध्ये आणि जास्त पर्यावरणाच्या दृष्टीने जास्त महत्त्वाचा असा हे पॉलीहाऊस आहे. या पॉलीहाऊसमध्ये हे जे बांबू आम्ही वापरलेले आहेत हे ट्रीटमेंट केलेले बांबू आहेत. या बांबूंना वाळवी किंवा कीड लागू नये यासाठी विशेष ट्रीटमेंट केलेली आहे आणि नंतरच हे बांबू वापरलेले आहेत, जेणेकरून या पॉलीहाऊसची ताकद वाढेल आणि हवेचा परिणाम याच्यावर होणार नाही. याची जी रचना किंवा डिझाईन केलेलं आहे हे कन्व्हेन्शनल पॉलीहाऊसप्रमाणेच आहे. कन्व्हेन्शनल पॉलीहाऊसचे सर्व फायदे कमी खर्चामध्ये या पॉलीहाऊसमध्ये मिळणार आहेत.
Engineering specifications of the bamboo polyhouse are: foundation is made of GI pipe and steel rods concreted with cement mortar. Structural bamboos of 2 to 2.5 inch diameter are treated to avoid stem borer and give a long life of minimum 10 years. Joinery using metal clamps, metal strips, nut bolts, etc. ensures no cracks are propagated. Polyfilm of 200 micron thickness is UV stabilized that helps extend life of the film. Insect proof nets to protect the crops grown from insects and pests. GFAB sheet to store or capture the carbon dioxide inside the polyhouse. Gravity based drip irrigation unit for optimal water use efficiency. Cultivation of diverse crops such as chili, capsicum, carrot, radish, tomato, brinjal, beans, and other leafy vegetables will be done over raised beds. The cultivation will be attempted using chemical-free fertilizers. Organic manure like neem powder, biocompost, stearameel, Jeevamrit will be used. The recommendations on agronomy and farming practices emerged from the experiences of BIOF Agri team working at its Jawhar Center. The current investment cost of the 2 pilot bamboo polyhouse is 92,000 rupees each, which is 1/3 of the GI steel polyhouse design available in markets. The recovery on investment is expected to be 2.5 to 3 years by considering the minimum production. We hope the costs will come down with scale up. Technical and financial sustainability of this proposed technology solution will be ascertained by training the local farmers to treat the locally available bamboos and constructing the polyhouse. In the region of Palghar, near Wada, there is Anamrita Centralized Kitchen, which makes and supplies midday meals to the schools in the nearby area. 27,000 hot cooked meals are transported to schools in the region per day. This kitchen procures the fresh vegetables from the Vashi APMC market, which is about 120 kilometers away, which adds to the cost of transport. The reason for not procuring the vegetables from the nearby area where the pilot polyhouses are constructed is that the local farmers are unable to supply the vegetables year-round with certainty. The scale-out of these low-cost polyhouses is considered as boon to connect these dots in supply chain.